Hey there, welcome to the channel and welcome to Illuminate Adelaide. Illuminate Adelaide is Adelaide's annual winter festival where they light up the city and the people come out at night time to see these incredible lights and installations. This year promises to be the best one yet, so come along with us tonight and check it out.
Because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. So fine that I really want to make you mine. All about sex, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that dirty honey. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
In the middle of the train, I lost my shirt, I pawned my rings, I've done all the dumb things.
Give me a home among the gum trees.
That's cool.
The plum trees. A sheep or two, a kangaroo, a clothesline out the back, a veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair.
When they get to the point, when his feet spot his free, when he danced, flames grew.
Actually, very therapeutic and very relaxing.
Yeah. I really like this.
Psychedelic.
Yeah.
Yes. Something really
That looks so cool. Wow. Hey, thanks for joining us tonight as we check out Illuminate Adelaide here in beautiful Adelaide, South Australia. I think you'd agree it's a really pretty amazing kind of festival, and the way how it lights up the city and brings the place, gives the place so much life during winter is something which makes it an awesome activity and something you should definitely check out the next time that you visit Adelaide. To learn more about the things you can do here in Adelaide and South Australia, what you need to do is click on this video over here next. As usual, thank you for your company. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.